Claude Code received a huge update yesterday when it gained the ability to use an internal to-do list to track sets of subtasks it has to perform in order to achieve a complicated programming task. Given that most of what TaskDaemon does is prepare such a plan of ordered, numbered subtasks to execute a plan, I wanted to see this morning how well the new Claude Code to-do implementation tracks the plan that's given to it by TaskDaemon. So I gave it 3 prompts this morning. This first one is about 900 lines or so of prompt, most of which is the plan, where we are asking it to split apart an existing API endpoint. And as you can see, as I pause the video here, Claude Code picked out 6 specific to-do items here in order. And as I overlay the plan that was generated and fed in as the prompt to this task, we can see that these match those 6 exactly. So Claude has picked up on the fact that we gave it these 6 ordered subtasks, and it's doing them correctly in the right order. And in this case, I was able to just watch this out of the corner of my eye on one of my secondary screens without having to intervene at all. So here, in the 9 minutes and 13 seconds that Claude was running for, since I typed the word Claude in and hit enter, until it was finished here, it was running for 9 minutes and 0.3 seconds at that time. So only about 13 seconds of downtime here. Otherwise, the entire time, Claude Code was grinding and getting to the right answer with this task. Moving on to the second task. This one, I wanted to create a marketing page that explains what characterization is in TaskDaemon. So Claude Code doesn't know what characterization is, but it was given a highly detailed plan which tells it what characterization is, because TaskDaemon has a characterization about itself, so it understands what characterization is. In this case, because Claude Code hates to run my UI testing pnpm command, I had to intervene twice and tell it, hey, please run pnpm test UI. Otherwise, again, of the 9.5 minutes that Claude is running for 9 minutes and 4 seconds here, it was just crunching without me having to do anything. So during that time, and during the previous time, I was spending most of my time working on other tasks, debugging stuff in Windsurf, just pacing around my house, thinking about what the next thing to do is. It's really, really liberating watching it take up this plan document and then turn it into these internal to-dos and watching it go through those and get them all right. So for this third and final one, it's again about a 1,000-line prompt or so. And here is the set of to-dos that it's pulled out of it. And as we accelerate through this thing, I will overlay the plan document again here so we can see that these to-do items are corresponding exactly to the items that we had in our plan. And so these are just 3 examples that I happened to record this morning, but they are very much in line with how Claude Code has been responding this whole time to being passed in plan documents like that. It turns them very, very well into these excellent to-dos, and it follows them correctly. And it seems that having that plan with an ordered set of items that it should follow through one by one is really, really helping it get to the outcome that we want to get to. So give it a try, Claude Code. This new capability came out yesterday. Whether you use TaskDaemon to generate your plan or not, if you're using Claude Code, if you pass it in a plan, some kind of plan with ordered items, it's got a far better of achieving a good outcome than if you don't. Happy coding.